Breaking inputs coming in while farmers continue their protest against the new farm laws. Punjab Chief Minister and the farmer unions are holding a crucial meeting at the Kisan Bhavan right now. Remember, on November 26-27, farmers are planning to hold a protest march, Dilli Chalo, which has the support of 472 farm outfits. For more on this, I'm joined by Gurpreet, who's reporting live on this story. Gurpreet, this meeting comes at a very crucial time. Remember, Amrinder Singh, Captain Amrinder Singh, has reiterated an appeal to the farmers to call off their strike because it's causing a massive loss to the railways and the NHAI. So this meeting comes at a very important time. What are the key demands of the farmers' union at this point?
Well, yes, of course, the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, he is going to hold a meeting with all the farmers, and that meeting has been scheduled at 1:30. And before that, we can see from here that at Kisan Bhavan in Chandigarh, all the farmers, they are sitting inside. They are discussing that what type of demands they are going to put before the Chief Minister of Punjab. Basically, there was a lock jam between centre as well as the state, that they are saying that only good trains are allowed to allow inside the state, but at the same time the central government has been saying that they have also learned some of the tracks are being occupied by these farmer protests, and after that they have decided that both the trains, good trains as well as the passenger train, will be allowed to move in the state. So keeping in view of all these circumstances, the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, he has already requested and appealed the farmers that the way the state has been facing a lot of loss, around 30,000 crore loss has already been faced by the state, and he is requesting the farmers that they should try to find out other alternative. But at the same time, the farmers say that they are going to continue their protest, and as we know that Dilli Chalo Andolan, they are going to start from 26th and 27th November. For that, all these things they are going to discuss within the organization, because 31 farmer unions, they are sitting inside, they are discussing, they are mulling all the angles before going and appealing the Chief Minister of Punjab, because today they are going to take a final meeting on the protest which has been holding by the farmers all over Punjab for the last so many days. So if we can talk about at the present scenario, they wanted to chalk out their strategy, but they are still adamant. They say that the protest will be continued in the state, but at the same time they are going to discuss with the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, how they are going to shape the protest. And they know the question that is more important, that whether they are going to allow the good trains and passenger train to come in the state or not. That is the main reason why this meeting has been called with the Chief Minister, why this whole issue is being discussed with the Chief Minister. And before going to Chief Minister, they are taking all the angles, they are discussing all the angles within the organization, because finally they will chalk out all the strategy, and then they will go to the Chief Minister of Punjab and discuss. And then after that, it will be expected from the Chief Minister of Punjab whether he will be able to convince the farmers that the way the losses have been faced by the state, and what we have learned from the sources, that even the power cuts have already been imposed in the various locations of the state, because the coal supply has already been blocked, because good trains are not allowed to come in the state.
All right, thank you, Gurpreet, for getting us those inputs. Crucial meeting, and all eyes remain on that meeting between the Punjab Chief Minister and farm unions.